What's up, YouTube? Today we're putting a dirt bike exhaust on a mini bike. So, pit bike, dirt bike, same thing. Alright, I don't know how we're gonna do this, but shit, here it is. My bike, which I wanna get it on the bike. Okay, that's what it looks like on the bike. Looks clean. Probably is the wrong size, I don't know. We're gonna test it back. We're gonna test it in a second. Sound better than me. Now I just gotta do is ride it. I know y'all probably wondering why they like taped my gas tank and shit, but basically I got into an accident last night, and yeah. But overall, it sounds decent, but it's like it don't sound like I expected it. So I'm gonna show you what I think it's like. First time, it low-key did, you feel me? But also it changed like the pipe itself out, thinking that was gonna help, but it really didn't. So, yeah. And that's the roof in the tunnel, I think. No, it's not. It's just like back on the road though. Y'all still see everything? Okay, good. Damn, bro. Drivers do not having a pull start. That's okay, cause either electric start or goddamn wine start. So I don't know what. Trust to bleed. Yeah, you wanna start? What the fuck? My belt's slipping too, but